Greetings, a Soulful Touch family. Cat New here. This is my new place of business, my new office. And I'm going to be located in Just For Me Nail Salon here in Somerville, South Carolina. So you can go ahead and book your appointments. I'm super duper excited. I just opened today. I can't wait. Like, this is major, huge, huge, huge. So be sure to come in, give us a call. That's area code 843-564-2464 to book your appointment. This is some great artwork that's not going to stay. This artist is so amazing. She does amazing work, but these were just for show. The owner of the salon, she does a featured artist every month. So just wanted to show you the atmosphere. That's my business license on the wall over there. So excited. But be sure to come in, book an appointment, and get your nails done and get a massage with me or Miss Karen, the owner of the establishment. So be sure to check me out. The link's below. Have a great one. Peace.